welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I review perfumes. Today I have a declutter video, a big one. I think I have 17. I guess this would fall under the category of I have bought a lot of fragrances over the last 2 months and I needed to thin the herd, right? Jettison some. Some of these were a couple, I would say maybe 2 dislikes, a lot of meh. That's what I like to describe them, just eh. They're not good, they're not bad, they're just eh. And so I don't have room for that, and it just, I like to keep it streamlined. Yeah, so I'm gonna go through that. I'm really happy to be here today and actually be home today. Yesterday I had to go to the office, and that always is like, I don't like going into the office. I'm a homebody, and I don't know, do you guys work like, okay, I went into the office and the girl next to me shopped for winter boots for 2 hours. Like I was just like, because their line is like, oh, everyone's so much more productive at work. I'm like, okay, whatever. Like, anyways, enough said. So the first one I already have decluttered. This one has gone. This is Kayali Wedding Silk Santal. I bought the Wedding Silk Santal duo. The silk one is the white one and the velvet one is the black one. I still have the black one. This one is orange blossom and champagne and fruit and freesia. It's just really not my style. I just never really wore it. I found it a little too sweet. I don't know, like Love Don't Be Shy, but I prefer Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. The girl that bought it was like, smelled it and was like, oh my God, it smells so good. So I was very, very happy to move that one along. I think my lesson here is like, I have not had a lot of luck with, I want to say Kilian, no, Kayali. I don't know why. Maybe it's a younger audience. I'm not really sure. I've said before, I love Vanilla 28, but the rest of them, The next one I got influenced to buy this by a famous YouTuber, and it was almost an immediate like, oh no, why did I buy this? It is Ambra by Jeroboam. It is, I think it's a French house. It's from 2017, but it said Amber Balsamic Vanilla, and I thought it would be like Lune Feline by Atelier des Arts, but it was way too balsamic, like balsamic vinaigrette on your wrist. It was like, no, I got like no vanilla. And I ended up trading it with this girl, and she seemed happy with it. She seemed very happy with it. But then a couple weeks later, I saw it on Facebook Marketplace, and I chatted with her a bit, and she was like, yeah, in the end, I didn't love it. So be forewarned, Ambra by Jeroboam, maybe sample before you buy, like I should have done. The next one is Voux Patisserie by Paris Corner. It is an inspired by or a dupe of not Lyra by Casamorati. Was it Lyra? No, it was a different one. I'll put the name up. I can't remember right now. It is like a vanilla cookie sandal orangey kind of thing. It smelled good. There's a little bit of cardamom. It's spicy. I actually quite liked it, and I liked it more than the Casamorati one by Zerjov. But ultimately it was, I think I'm gonna have to preface this by saying I am moving away right now from gourmands. I have some that I like and love, but a lot of them, I do like the smell. I just don't wear them, and I find it a little bit overwhelming at times to wear them for me. So even though I actually would recommend this one, if you like that smell, yeah, it's great. I thought it was great, but I moved it along. That one also went, there was a woman that came to my door. She ended up buying 3 of them. So she bought that one, and then she bought Soleil by Lalique. This one I liked. It was fine. I just never reached for it. It has, what are the notes? It has almond, pear, milky sandalwood. There's coffee in it. It was very pretty. Again, I just never wore it, and it was a little bit like Girl of Now, maybe, or Poison Girl, like kind of a bit of those with maybe a tiny bit of opium. It was good. It was very nice when I did wear it, but I just didn't want it. And the woman literally was like, "Do you have more for sale?" And I was like, I have this one. So she ended up buying 3. So that one has flown the coop. The other one is Rouge Chronique by the Chronic Rouge Extreme by Byron Perfumes. So this one has a lot of fruit in it and flowers. It's got vanilla, and I bought it because I really like Le Musée by Stéphanie de Bruyne. I think that's her name. But then I realized I really like that one. Why did I buy another one that's almost identical? And I found the Byron one to be too sweet. I say that a lot. It didn't agree with me. I just immediately was like, there's got to be complexity. There's always got to be. It can't be all good. Like there's got to be a yin and yang of good and bad. Even in a really good perfume, there's either like a little bit of dirtiness or a little bit of animalistic or something gritty or a tiny bit of sour. And when it's just too sweet, it just, I don't know. I don't know. There's something that's missing there in the interest for me. The next one is Radical Rose by Matiere. I was so excited for this one. I blind bought a used one, so it wasn't very expensive. I did not like that at all. This is one of the few rose perfumes that I did not like. It has pepper and patchouli, and it was like a pepper patchouli bomb. It was very dirty, very animalistic, very spicy, like Portrait of a Lady, but not well done and not well executed, in my opinion. So I put that one up for sale. The next one is Amore Caffè. I bought this one also secondhand. I think Mancera's, they're very strong. There's a lot of good things to say about them. But I think maybe sometimes they're too strong. And listen, this is ice cream, coffee, vanilla. It smells amazing. It's like walking into an ice cream / coffee store, and I love that smell. But do I want to smell like that all day? I don't think so. It even has amaretto, and I love amaretto. But some smells are better in small amounts, at least for my nose. So that one has also left the building. The next one is Jeanne Lanvin by Lanvin. So this one is a really fruity berry perfume. It's very pretty. I liked it a lot. It was a real cheapie. I don't know how much it was. It was like $20 or $30 on FragranceNet. I was just buying a bunch of cheapies to try them out. And I like this one a lot, but it had no sillage and very little longevity. It was just of I don't want to say poor quality, but yeah, it just didn't last. It just didn't wear well. So that one is gone. Yeah. The next one is Eau de Citron by Hermès. Again, I like this one. I hugely love citrons. I love freshies, and this is a freshie. This one has tea and there's smoke in it, and I didn't get a lot of smoke, but ultimately it leaned a little bit masculine. That must have been the smoke, because it's like lemon, lime, citron, gaiac wood, black tea, and smoke. Just a tiny bit masculine, and compared to so many other freshies that I have that I love, I was like, I'll just let that one go. And someone was very happy to get that. I mean, I love Hermès. I love them. So that was a little bit disappointing. I thought I would like it more, but whatever. Kiss Delicious by Paris Corner, super trendy, blind bought it. I bought, I think, 5 Paris Corner on one lot. I have a little short. I bought Banana Bliss. That one broke. Of all those ones, the only one I have kept is Kissa Blue. I love Kissa Blue. It's a Louis Vuitton Imagination dupe. I think it's beautiful. It's a light, citrusy, beautiful one. Yeah, so that would be my recommendation. Kiss Delicious has chocolate, it has marshmallow, it has vanilla. It's pretty. Um, to me, it reads a lot like Sabrina Carpenter or Philosophy. There was one that was like cashmere, warm cashmere or something like that. It's sort of in that vein. Also, Amber Vanilla or Vanilla Amber by the Seven Virtues, also very similar. I liked it. I liked it. I didn't love it. And if I'm gonna wear a chocolate perfume, I'm gonna wear Elixir Carnal Gourmand Coquin by Guerlain. That's my favorite. That's my go-to. So I almost feel like I try chocolate perfumes and it's always like, oh, they're good, but they're not that one, you know? Um, anyways, so I was ultimately I'm trying to keep my number of perfumes down. And so a lot of these were like, if they're not a super love for me, then I needed to get rid of them. Chypre Mojito 45 by Palais de Parfum. Mango Patchouli, Carnation, and Bergamot. I bought it secondhand, so that wasn't too bad. I love mango. I love patchouli. I hated this perfume. There are very few perfumes that I can say I hate. I can say that I hated this one. I'm sorry. It just smelled dirty and sour and I don't know, gritty, and it would just smelled not good to me, which was a bit of a shock because I love patchoulis, but I did not love that. Khamrah by Lattafa. I was singing its praises and I still am. I think that one is beautiful. It's like a Kilian Angel Share dupe, but instead of apple pie or apple, actually Kilian doesn't even have apple, it just alludes to apple pie. But this one has dates, very pretty. There's a little cocoa, vanilla, it's sweet. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just not in my gourmand era. Same with Nebras by Lattafa. I had it forever, never wore it. I love the smell. Like when I smell these, I like them. They smell amazing, but I don't wear them on a day-to-day basis. And so the altruistic part of me likes to kind of move them along to someone that I hope will love them more. Anyways, that one has gone. Raghba by Lattafa. That is a dupe for By the Fireplace by Maison Margiela. I also sold By the Fireplace. These two fall under Too Strong for me. They are vanilla, smoky, chestnutty, cocoa-y. I think there's cocoa. Is there cocoa? This one doesn't have cocoa. Incense, sandalwood, agarwood. Too strong, too much for me. I love the smell when I just smell the bottle, but I don't think I ever wore a full day of that one. But if you like that smell, I highly recommend it. It's very economical. Rouge Cotton by, I think is it Swiss Arabian? Paris Corner, by Paris Corner. Rose Cassis and Pivoine Vanilla Musk. I like that one too, but also very very similar to Pivoine Séjour by Armani Privé or Delina. I mean, not the same at all, you know, but the same type of thing. So it's kind of like, why would I wear this one when I could wear that one? That one has since been sold. Casablanca by Swiss Arabian. I had this one a while. Caramel, apple, vanilla. Caramel, apple, fruity. Very strong. Very strong. Same with, I'm going to do two together. I blind bought Valencia by Swiss Arabian. It's the same kind of bottle, only it says Valencia. This one is more of, it says citrus, white floral. So, and I'm going to make a blanket statement about some of these, is that, well, Valencia and Casablanca both had an underlying smell in there, like a base smell that was very strong, that was very overpowering, that ultimately didn't agree with me. And Valencia in particular, I wore it to Taekwondo with my son, and I think I said, what do you think of this? And he said, no, I don't like it. And I said, oh, what do you not like? And he goes, it smells bad. Which, you gotta love boys, like that's, but you know what? I was like, yeah, some of these are like off the top, bright and fresh and good, but they're a little bit like fast fashion. Not all of them, but they're good off the top, but then the full wearing experience, it just is not there for me. So those are my 17 jettison flew the building. Let me know your thoughts down below. Are any of these likes, loves of yours? Are you totally offended that I got rid of them? Do you concur? Yeah, so that's what I have. That's my latest, and I have quite a lot of brand new perfumes. I'll probably do a haul, but maybe next week. Anyways, have a wonderful day. I hope you have a great weekend. It's minus 25 here today where I am. What is it where you are? Yeah, thank you for watching. Please, if you can, press the subscribe, leave a comment, and thumbs up. It really helps me. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye.